I'm Ty Slim and welcome to Ty Slim Vlogs. This is the final installment of the 1986 Yamaha G1 golf cart build restoration. I got a few odds and ends to do. I got to install the wheels and tires. I painted them. I'll show you how I did that. We have to install this new seat back onto this new bed I built. And really just get the emblem on, freshen up a couple stuff, and then I'll give you the final breakdown and the final look of this restoration. Follow along. Well, we're getting close to finishing this project up. I'm going to throw some spray paint on these wheels, get them freshened up, and we're going to keep it moving. I built a bed off camera, and I just need to get it installed in the correct place out of just some lumber, actually barn wood that I picked up, so we'll take a look at that, but we're going to get going on painting these wheels. And then, just like the stuffed cards, and overlap them. It makes it way easier for taping off, and that's pretty much what you do. You don't tape off. This is your tape. Now that I got these taped up or playing cards stuffed in the rim, I'm going to wipe them off with just some general wax and grease remover and spray them down. Okay, I got my paint booth set up here. I got my PPE on today. These are P100 filters. They're not chemical filters, but they do really good for blocking out most dust and airborne debris. So I'm just going to go with light coats, maybe 3 coats, see where we go. Well, that little rattle can paint job did the trick. They weren't white, now they are white. I'm going to let these dry overnight, and I just put some white paint on them, and it did what it was supposed to do. They weren't white, now they are white. So that's all I'm looking for. Next time you see this, I'll probably be assembling the cart, and we'll have a big reveal. I'm super excited. I did this project as quickly and efficiently as I could, and also on a budget, just kind of getting an old cart restored for a nice Christmas present. I get this wheel installed and then drop this baby down to ride height. One step closer. She's starting to look pretty good, guys. Pretty nice. I'm going to torque the wheels to 50 foot-pounds. I'm now going to install the seat back against the back of the bed here. So I integrated into the back of the bed. It was the easiest way. I laid out some holes, and they just thread into the back of the seat here. So now we're going to work on our bed layout. Since this bed, I used old barn wood. It's not totally square, and these grab rails are reused from a different seat. We're just going to kind of eye it up and get it sitting best where we like it, and then we're going to drill some holes and mount it. And that's pretty much what we're going to do. There's a gas cap right here. I might actually notch the bed out so I can add gas without lifting the body, but we're going to put it on there and just kind of eyeball it. So I'm trying to split the difference of this hard body line here with the edge of the beds and run it all the way up to this handle. I'm also just taking steps back and looking how it looks, you know, and going from there. And it's looking good. I mean, little test seat. Oh yeah, that is nice. That's going to be nice. I like it. Well, I've looked and fought with this bed long enough. I'm happy with it. Sometimes you just have to be happy with it because you're never going to find it. There's no way to get a good measurement on it or anything. So I'm just going to drill a couple holes in the bed. I'm going to screw through the fiberglass with these Tech screws just to easily set where I want this bed. And then I'm going to drill through and put carriage bolts in to really suck it down. Move this top bolt. Send another drill bit through. Send that carriage bolt through. Tap it in. Nut. Washer. About 1,000,000 times long, so I'll just cut it off when I need it. Yeah. Carriage bolt through. Hit it with your drill. Boom. Throw a nut and wash on. Okay, that ain't going nowhere. All right, coming back and cutting these to length. Wow. Guys, this bed is done. It's secure. And here is the tailgate. If you want to haul stuff to let it hang over, so I just built a little tailgate, a couple little claps. So I just cut them so it's a tight fit, but nothing crazy. And then you just one little clap here and one little clap here. And there it is. There's the tailgate. Okay, guys, this is it. This is the last piece of the puzzle here. I'm gonna put the refurbished emblem on here. I'm so pumped, and let's just get to it. Ready? Here it goes. Look at that. Fresh Yamaha 1986 G1. I'm super pumped about this. We got to get this thing outside, take some rollers, and show it off in the daylight. So next time you see this, maybe we'll have a nice photo shoot for it, and this is great. That really just makes me happy and really set it off. Well, I hope everybody had a great Christmas. It's my Christmas to deliver this Christmas present to my mother here. It's going to be awesome. It's been a lot of hours in the making, and I am super excited. So I got it strapped down on this sketchy little converted jet ski trailer. I'll show you that. And then hopefully we get a really nice reaction out of her. Here I got this thing strapped down. I had to add a little extension here to make the make everything work. I screwed some wheel chocks down so it doesn't go anywhere, but I got it X strapped in the back, strapped here on the front, X strapped in the front, so we just hope she makes the ride.
Oh, here we go. Oh my God, it's all fun. Oh, I love it! Oh my God, I love it! Merry Christmas, Mama! Well, anywhere I guess.